guys done a terrific job, and I thank you very much for your patience and time again.
I'm here with Archie. We just completed the sale of his house in New Salem, and just wanted to get his thoughts on how the process was.
You guys have been very excellent. I know we've had a few issues along the way as far as, unforeseen things, but you've been very patient, very cooperative. Everybody's been really, really great. It's been a great process, and I would recommend you guys to anybody that I knew that wanted to sell a house and drop out from underneath it. So I thank you very much for your time, your patience, your cooperation, and if I had to do it again, I'd do it the same way.
Awesome, I appreciate it. And one last thing is we're closing up just a few weeks later than we had hoped for. Like Arch had said, there was a little bit of a snafu, but we took care of it. And we're getting it done right before Thanksgiving, a couple days before. So it was awesome working with you two.
Well, yeah, if we'd have went the regular route with no snafu, it would have been over and done in probably less than
Halloween. Yeah.
It would have been done in less than a month. So yeah, you guys done a terrific job, and I thank you very much for your patience and time again.
Awesome.
Very
Thanks.
good.
Take care. Have a great Thanksgiving.